Okay, so the video has now been produced. It rendered okay once I turned off the screen capture. And you'll see that you get this lovely player here, and we can just click on this button and just start to play the video. Now, one of the things about the way that we've just done that is that it doesn't include a menu system. If you remember, we had 3 markers, but by simply producing for the web, it doesn't include the menu. Now, what I'm going to show you in the next video is how you can choose and make sure that you have the menu items included in the web production. Now, I'm just going to close this down, and I just want to point out a few things about the file that was produced. So if we go to folder here, and we can see the example that I just made, you get all these different files because it's going to play the video in a, as I said, in a player, as you saw then, and I'll just show you that again. If you click here, it opens up a lovely player that you can click on and then play the video. But the disadvantage of doing that, sorry, I've clicked on the wrong one there. I'm going to click on this one first. Is that obviously you are when you've produced more than one file. So this player here, and then the volume control, and then the opportunity to resize the screen with the amount of the video that's been played, all of that is because Camtasia produces more than just the video file. Now if we close that down again, you can see that it requires all these files to package the video. The video itself is actually here, and of course you can just use the video on its own. If you click on that video, what will happen is it will use the standard player that is on your computer for playing the video. So in my particular case, it's going to be QuickTime, or it may be in your case Windows Media Player. So you can play the video, and you can even just upload the video on its own, and people will still be able to use the video. But the difference will be is that if they use that video and that way, then of course they haven't got the nice player that is set up using Camtasia. So that is another option in terms of producing an output. Now I'm just going to go back, as I said, and look at how we can make sure that we've got the menu items that were included through the markers, how we can include those when we produce a web output.